Welcome back. If you've not registered on the AfriOne Life, I want to encourage you please to use the number and the Telegram account that is currently on this very particular broadcast for you to get yourself registered. With AfriOne Life, we're trying to make one ecosystem, which is ecosystem when it comes to your property, your insurance, your healthcare, your legal, your ombuds crisis, and whatever that you need. It's as simple to the point that you can literally register, get yourself verified, and you go to a marketplace and literally you can list your product, your business, your services on that very particular system, and somebody can literally just call you and say, we've just seen your product on AfriOne Life, can we buy it? And boom, you're making money. For you, you can be a professional who literally just want to list your professional services on our platform. Literally, it goes global. It's not just limited to Nigeria where we are now, or probably South Africa, or probably in Kenya or in Rwanda. No, it's a global platform. So with that being said, today we're going to be looking at healthcare. I love healthcare so much. Ooh, let's see. Healthcare is number 17. So let's go. Healthcare. So on healthcare, the moment you click healthcare, you can see the menu. It tells you, so which means you can find verified hospitals and clinic. You can find doctors and specialists. You can chat with a doctor, emergency services, pharmacies, laboratories, radiologies, companies, and also mental health issues. You can find this doctor. You can find maternal, child, and health support, elderly care. You know, that's one business that is missing in Nigeria. If you're watching me currently now, because, you know, I like talking about opportunity. Maybe you're a diaspora person watching me, you're wondering what kind of business do you want to come to in Nigeria. Please, I want to tell you the healthcare sector in Nigeria, literally, it's very open. Very open. The reason why is because most of the healthcare practitioners in Nigeria, they've literally jackpot. And so now we are short of doctors. So maybe you are a professional and like what is happening or what has happened with the whole, everybody go back to your country that happened in South Africa. You are a doctor, please come back home. And I know that the country where you are currently, you understand this elderly care. Elderly care, literally, there is a lot of money to make with elderly care. But in Nigeria, it's almost close to dololo, like we call it in my country. It's almost none. So you can literally start a business of elderly care. For example, if I can find a verified elderly care, I don't have a problem taking my mom and my dad to those very particular place and let them be able to enjoy life. And I pay that very particular home premium money to take care of my mom or my dad. We don't have it in Nigeria. Because why? People don't see the opportunity. There is a lot of parents or probably professionals working out there who just want their mother or their elderly ones to literally be at a safe place. We really do. But how many of us is going into that very particular space? How many? You don't have to be a medical person. All you need to do is just be a businessman or probably be a creative. Start a business, get the license, or probably get a medical practitioners to manage that very particular firm, and you are good. Just like Dino Maleye currently now is running a legal firm. And sometimes I wonder, I don't know how he got his legal license, but that's Nigeria. But he's running it currently now. He was a senator, now he's doing his stuff. I'm not saying, you know, if you're watching this, sharp, that's me just calling you for us to talk. But nonetheless, we have elderly care. We also have home care system. We have wellness and fitness. We have health insurance. We have medical marketplace. If you want to also donate blood, we also have it here where you can be able to find reputable blood donation center and go give your blood. I know you're looking at me to say, okay, darling, you can give blood. My blood is not enough to give. So let's not go there. Just leave it. Let's leave it. And also number 17 here says if you're a diaspora healthcare, or probably you can become a healthcare provider. You can literally become. Let's look at healthcare provider. If you click healthcare provider currently now, it's going to pop up. Now, this is the thing I want to say now as we talk about healthcare provider. Let's say you're a healthcare provider, whether you're a nurse, you're a doctor, with all of the things I have listed before. When you join healthcare providers and you want to provide a services and you pay the what's called the onboarding fee, this is what happened. Because you're a healthcare provider, we wipe out your monthly subscription. So you don't pay monthly subscription again anymore because you have paid to belong as a healthcare provider. So, and whatever your monthly subscription covers, it still covers you. Because even the healthcare provider also need to be taken care of when they fall sick. So yes, it covers you. But we wipe out all of those very particular stuff and you then become a provider where people can consult you, whatever you are doing. So please, I want to encourage you. You're a healthcare provider, you're a nurse, you're a doctor, you're a specialist, you have a home healthcare, you have an insurance company, whatever, please and please use the numbers that you're seeing currently on the screen and give us a call, and one of our team will be readily available to come to your place to be sure that that healthcare service literally exists, and it's not that you're taking people to graveyard. Just have to say so. So I think with that being said, that is what we are going to talk about, the healthcare side of things. Let me try and see. Yes, still on the healthcare side of things, I want to show you on the healthcare. If you go to 13, that is where everyone is insured. You go to 13, you click 13, you'll see here. Look at what it says here. It says, as an AfriOne member, you are automatically enrolled in the easy plan of this. Automatically enroll. You find that on the healthcare side. And now if I want to literally check to see what is my package, I click number 1, my insurance status. It tells me here currently, if you see, it's giving you my unique ID, my plan. It's telling you my waiting period, the time I need to wait for me to be able to access services like surgical services and mental health. For surgical services, you have to be on our system for at least 7 months, and also for healthcare, for mental health care issues, you have to be on our services for at least 4 months. But any other thing apart from surgical services and mental health care is literally available immediately. Let's say you find yourself, you fall ill. Nigeria has 2 endemic. One is malaria, the other one is typhoid. By default, you're covered. You can register on Monday, and on Tuesday, literally, you fall ill. You can literally chat with your doctor. A script is given to you, because you can see right here, it says that automatically you are covered. And now if I want to go back, I type back, and then it takes me back to the main menu. Now, if you look at it, number 3 here says upgrade your plan. So let's say I want to upgrade a plan from what I am currently having. You can see all the plans that we have here. We have your digital plans, we have your HMO plans, and the way you are seeing it, all you now need to do is literally you click any of the numbers to see the details that is in that plan, and if that's what you want, then you now go back, because it will tell you go back, I think if I'm not mistaken, go back to 3 to upgrade your plan. And one thing with AfriOne Life, you can also add a dependent. Maybe you're a mother, you want to add your child, or maybe you are a husband, you want to add your wife and your children. Maybe you are just an uncle and you want to add your nieces, your nephew and stuff. The system can literally permit you in adding all of that. What more can you get from AfriOne Life? If this insurance is not something you want to consider, then literally I choose to believe that you don't value your health. The average life expectancy currently now for Nigeria, average for men, literally if you cross 40 years, it's a miracle. The average life expectancy for men is literally 35, and for women is 47. The question is, what is happening? We are traumatized as a nation. Protect your health. Protect your health. Research has given us that the moment you get to 50 years in Nigeria, you are almost on your way to your permanent site. The reason why is because the stress of the country, and many of us are literally ignoring all of these healthcare services. You're an elderly person, there's an insurance available for you when you are part of AfriOne Life, to make sure that at least you still see 80, 90, even 100, depending on the contract you have with God. But I encourage you, family, please and please, if not for anything, because of your health, join AfriOne Life. Get a default insurance, and if you want to upgrade your insurance policies and package, you can do that. And hear me, it takes you, when you want to make a claim, it takes you less than 12 hours to make a claim. If you notice, I didn't say 24 hours, because 24 hours is too much. Anything is possible. We have make sure with all our partners that less than 12 hours, it's either your medication, whatever, is delivered to you, or maybe you have critical issues at home. A medical ambulance will come to your house and take you to the hospital. In fact, even with that, it's literally less than 45 minutes when you find yourself in critical conditions, because we have ambulances and everything waiting for you when you find yourself in critical state. Just make sure that your subscription is ongoing, and don't say, no, I just want to do this month and cancel next month. You never can tell what will happen on the 1st of that next month. It's called life. I'll see you on the next production. This is All Things About Health. Bye for now. God bless you.